students, now in this video let's take some properties of Legendre's symbol. Properties of Legendre's symbol. Let p greater than 2 be any prime and let a and b be any integers that are relatively prime to p. Then first, if a congruence to b modulo p, then Legendre's symbol of a by p is same as Legendre's symbol of b by p. Second, Legendre's symbol of a by p is same as a raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. A raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. The third one, Legendre's symbol of a by p into Legendre's symbol of b by p is same as Legendre's symbol of ab by p. Fourth one, Legendre's symbol of a square by p is equal to 1. Then Legendre's symbol of a square b by p is what? Legendre's symbol of b by p. Fifth, Legendre's symbol of 1 by p is equal to 1 and Legendre's symbol of minus 1 by p is equal to minus 1 raised to p minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now let's see the proof of these one by one. So proof. Let me take the proof of first one. First, let a congruence to b modulo p. Okay. Then the congruence x square congruence to a modulo p and x square congruence to b modulo p are both have the solution if exist. Okay. Thus x square congruence to a modulo p and x square congruence to b modulo p both are solvable or both neither solvable. So this implies the Legendre's symbol of a by p is what Legendre's symbol of b by p. Now let's prove the second one. Second, let p greater than 2 be prime. If Legendre symbol of a by p is equal to 1, then x square congruence to a modulo p has a solution, say x naught, that is x naught square congruence to a modulo p, that is a congruence to x naught square modulo p. This gives a raised to p minus 1 by 2 a raised to p minus 1 by 2 congruence to x naught raised to p minus 1 modulo p. As x naught and p are relatively prime, so by Fermat theorem, x0 raised to p minus 1 congruence to 1 modulo p. Therefore, a raised to p minus 1 by 2 congruence to 1 modulo p. And that is same as it congruence to, as Legendre symbol of a by p is what? That is, it is same as it congruence to Legendre symbol of a by p modulo p. Further, now if another case, if Legendre symbol of a by p is equal to what? Minus 1, then x square congruence to a modulo p has no solution. Now, for each 1 less equal j less than p minus 1, choose j dash which is also 1 less equal j dash less than p minus 1, such that j dash congruence to a modulo p has no solution, so there will be some other integers less than p minus 1 congruence to a modulo p. Now note that j is not equal to j dash, because if j equal to j dash, then j square congruence to a modulo p. So, but we had assumed it is minus 1, then it has no solution. So, if this one, then j is the solution of this one. So, this is not true. So, which is a contradiction, to x square congruence to a modulo p has no solution, which is a contradiction to that sentence. Fine? Okay. Therefore, j not equal to j dash. Then take product of product of such a p minus 1 by 2 pairs of j and j dash. We get p minus 1 factorial congruence to a raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. But by Wilson's theorem, p minus 1 factorial congruence to minus 1 modulo p. Therefore, minus 1 congruence to a raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. That is a by p, Legendre symbol of a by p congruence to a raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. Okay. Thus, what can we say? Legendre symbol of a by p in both cases, when it is quadratic residue or it is quadratic non-residue, in both cases this a by p congruence to, this is congruence to a raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. This is true in both cases. Okay. Now let's go for the third property. The third property says Legendre symbol of a by p and b by p is same as Legendre symbol of ab by p. So we are using the second property to prove it. Now by property 2, we get Legendre symbol of ab by p is same as ab raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. This is same as a raised to p minus 1 by 2 into b raised to p minus 1 by 2 modulo p. So this is same as Legendre symbol of a by p. This is Legendre symbol of b by p modulo p. Therefore, Legendre symbol of ab by p is same as Legendre symbol of a by p and into b by p. If Legendre symbol of ab by p is not equal to Legendre symbol of a by p into Legendre symbol of b by p, then by definition they have value 1 or minus 1. They have value 1 or minus 1. That is 1 congruence to minus 1 modulo p. 1 congruence to minus 1 modulo p, or minus 1 congruence to 1 modulo p. Minus 1 congruence to 1 modulo p. This gives us 2 congruence to 0 modulo p. This implies p divides 2, where p greater than 2, which is a contradiction. This is not possible that P divides 2 where P is greater than 2, which is a contradiction. So why does this contradiction occurs? Because of our wrong assumption, this one. Therefore, Legendre symbol of AB by P is same as Legendre symbol of A by P into Legendre symbol of B by P. This is the proof of third one. Now let's go for the fourth one. Fourth one. Legendre symbol of A square by P is what? 1. Then Legendre symbol of A square B by P is what? Legendre symbol of B by P. Okay. Since the congruence x square congruence to A square modulo P have a solution x equal to what? A. Therefore, Legendre symbol of A square by P will be what? 1. Also, Legendre symbol of A square B by P is same as Legendre symbol of A square by P into Legendre symbol of B by P. So, using this one, we get this is equal to Legendre symbol of B by P. Okay. And now the fifth one, what does that? Since for prime we have to do, since x square congruence to 1 modulo P always have a solution. Always have a solution x equal to what? 1. Therefore, Legendre symbol of 1 by P is what? 1. Also, by property 2, Legendre symbol of minus 1 by P is same as minus 1 raised to P minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, let's go for some small examples. Depends on these properties. So, example, find the following Legendre's symbol. Find the following Legendre symbols. Which are they? 1 by 11, minus 1 by 11, 3 by 11, 19 by 11, 7 by 5, 18 by 13 and minus 72 by 13. Okay. So, solution, Legendre symbol of 1 by 11 is obviously what? 1. 1 by P is 1. Okay. Now, Legendre symbol of minus 1 by 11. So, it will be minus 1 by P. So, it is minus 1 raised to P minus 1. So, that is 11 minus 1 by 2. That is minus 1 raised to 5. It will be minus 1. Now, Legendre symbol of 3 by 11. It is 1 as x square congruence to 3 modulo 11 has a solution x equal to what? 5. Now, next 19 by 11, that is equal to minus 1. Why does this? As 19 congruence to 8 modulo 11. Therefore, legendary symbol of 19 by 11 is same as legendary symbol of 8 by 11. Now, but this 8 is nothing but 2 square into 2. Therefore, legendary symbol of 8 by 11 is same as legendary symbol of 2 square into 2 by 11. So that is equal to legendary symbol of 2 by 11, and that is equal to what? Minus 1, as x square congruence to 2 modulo 11 has no solution. Now, legendary symbol of 7 upon 5. It is minus 1, as 7 congruence to 2 modulo 5. Therefore, legendary symbol of 2 by 5 is equal to minus 1, since x square congruence to 2 modulo 5 has no solution. Then next, legendary symbol of 18 by 13, that is equal to minus 1, as 18 congruence to 5 modulo 13. Therefore, legendary symbol of 5 by 13 is equal to minus 1, since x square congruence to 5 modulo 13 has no solution. Or here you can say, or 18 is equal to 3 square into 2. Therefore, legendary symbol of 18 by 13 is same as legendary symbol of 3 square into 2 by 13. That is equal to legendary symbol of 2 by 13, and that is equal to what? Minus 1. Now, the next one, legendary symbol of 72 by 13, that is equal to minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 raised to, it will be minus 1, as legendary symbol of minus 72 by 13 is same as minus 1 by 13 into 72 by 13. That is same as legendary symbol of 72 by 13. But 72 is equal to 6 square into 2. Therefore, legendary symbol of 72 by 13 is same as legendary symbol of 6 square into 2 by 13. That is same as legendary symbol of 2 by 13, and that is equal to what? Minus 1. As such, we can solve the examples. Now, here we will stop. In next video, we will see example and further some theorems. Okay, thank you.